Hello, I'm Nelson Pereira from bnetTV, and we are here at the Mobile World Congress 2012 in Barcelona. And with us is Mr. Thomas Bostrøm. How are you doing, sir?
I'm doing fine, thank you.
You're the CEO of Encap. Can you talk to us what your company does and how does it fit in the ecosystem?
Yes, I'm perfectly happy to. So we are a company that provides software for authentication and signing for mobile and cloud. So essentially what we do for organizations is that we enable them to take out the PC era authentication devices, hardware, SIM cards, smart cards, and replace it with a simple app that the user downloads from App Store or markets and type in a simple PIN code to use when they authenticate themselves.
I mean, security has always been a key component of doing this type of transaction, especially between banks and so on. Especially now, a lot of people are starting to do transactions on their mobile phones, and mostly either to pay their bills or do bank transaction. And your company is actually one of the leaders in this.
Yeah, we're definitely one of the leaders. I mean, we've spent several years building the technology and the solution, and we're now in the market, particularly in the Nordics, with some of the leading system integrators, identity service providers. We're live with banks. Our solution is approved by the Banking Standardization Organization in the Nordics. And we also have some really strong enterprise clients. And we're now looking to expand into the sort of big European markets, so the UK, Benelux, France, and Germany to begin with this year.
And all this based on the fact and the reality that your company has not only proven itself across the industry, but you actually have the ability to expand because you are a renowned and a company actually has proven that this technology works and it works well under your market.
Exactly. And we have a patented solution as well. So I think we're very well equipped and very well positioned to win a big piece of this market.
Very good. And what other platform does it cover? Is it just for the Android market or other platforms in general?
Well, we provided the technology, so it's typically run by a service provider, and the application that it's securing is everything from mobile banking, e-commerce, mobile payments, or sort of enterprise sign-on, logging onto your enterprise application. And it actually works the best in a pure mobile context, because imagine if you're out with your iPad or your smartphone and you want to do a mobile payment transaction. You don't want to have to rely on a hardware thingy that sits in the drawer back in your house, right? So you much rather have to just download an app to the phone, choose your own PIN code, and then use that next time you want to authenticate a payment transaction or logging onto your online banking account.
And authenticate, I mean me, myself, for my own secure transactions.
Exactly.
And what is new? I mean, obviously this year, 2012, both the industry of mobile has increased so much with the upcoming concept of LTE and 4G networks, which creates a larger market of what it was before to what it is today. Exactly. What is new in 2012 that your company has brought in?
Well, I think first of all we are riding the wave of smartphones and data, and because it's now become commonplace, and it's only just happened, that's the basis of why we can service everyone with our technology, because it's based on an online solution. But what we see from a technology perspective this year is HTML5, and we are building an HTML5 solution, which means that we can target absolutely any platform in the market that has a browser, and we think that's going to revolutionize the way people authenticate both on the mobile and online.
Because at the end of the day, it all comes down to security.
Yes, you have to have security.
Well, Thomas, thanks so much for spending time with us, and as always, it's great to see you here at Mobile World Congress. And like I said, I'll see you next year again, because we're always going to be here for this business.
Thank you. It was a pleasure.
Thank you. And this is Nelson Pereira from bnetTV at the Mobile World Congress 2012. I say thank you.
It's good.